Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Kadwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907. Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ka College Babhatam Nagabanta ka Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo India but Shabari. Nabanta ka Jingpuli ka Jingseo ka Paret but Hila Banleg Yu ban Puli da ka Education Loan, Hila Ruban Shukol How number Kandai Nyo Sao Sao, San Riun Rio Pranot, Lani, Kandai Pran Rio Lisan, Arn Riwe, Kandai Pra.
Ka second Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arjar Apulai, Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Balapulong da ka office jong District Sports Officer ka West Khasi Hills District Nongstony. Kelas dang metakasngi ka khatnyo trik jumbang Arjar Apulai. Hamadan dom maulum pendeng umyong. Yakni kalumpung ili akai. Kawalong Bynta jong jing plela yaki samla don sap. Haki jahil akai baper yak balawan banyi Bynta deki arpunyo tuli Skul ba sheja shispa khandriu ngut ki Khynnah ili akai. Lawan mempli perda do Additional Superintendent of Police ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District uba P. Suchang.
I would like to congratulate the office of the Sports Office who has taken this initiative to bring you all together in this platform and to indulge you in this sporting activity which will be shaping you, each one of you, in your daily life. Sports in today's world is not only a means of extracurricular activities. Sports in today's world has become a mainstay. By saying this, I'm not saying that you should stay away from your studies, you should neglect your studies. What I mean to say is, sports in today's world has become a means of livelihood also. It has become a profession in itself. So by saying this, I want to encourage each one of the students present here, through the principals and teachers, to please take sports seriously. We all know Redim Terang, we all know Bening Benkoy, we all know Linda Benis Aim and Torak Harpran and so many stars of our states who perform at national level, international level. The achievement that they have made are guiding lights for each one of the students present here today. By saying this, I want to encourage you to do more and achieve more than what they have achieved. And that too, if you can, one of the students who is present here today, if you can make it to the state, national and even international level, I think the intention of the sports office, the intention of this very program will be a fruitful one. I will not take much of your time. I would only like to tell each one of you to please be disciplined in your studies and sports. Please be punctual. And please follow the instructions that are being given to you by your teachers or sports instructors so that you can become a successful sports person or a successful person in whatever activity or dream that you have for each one of you. Without discipline, punctuality, without hard work and determination, I'll tell you, we cannot make it to our dreams. We cannot achieve our dreams no matter what we do, no matter what we try.
So who's going to the little star? St. Joseph, Tirot Singh, Oxy, Malkar, St. James, Smiling